The second part of the Lesson 16 dictation, a recipe for key lime pie. Main ingredients: 8 egg yolks, 2 397-gram tins of condensed milk, freshly squeezed juice and grated zest of 5 juicy limes, plus extra grated zest to decorate. 450 milliliters whipping cream. Pie crust ingredients: 500 grams of graham crackers, 200 grams unsalted butter, melted, a 23-centimeter pie dish, greased. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. For the crust, roughly break up the graham crackers and put them in a blender. Blend until finely ground. Slowly pour the melted butter into the blender while the motor is running on low. Press this mixture into the base and neatly up the sides of a prepared pie dish, using the ball of your hand or a tablespoon to flatten and compress it. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until deep golden and firm. Set aside to cool completely. Turn the oven down to 150 degrees Celsius. Put the egg yolks, condensed milk, lime juice, and zest in a glass bowl and mix gently with a balloon whisk until all the ingredients are very well incorporated. The mixture will thicken naturally. Pour into the cold pie crust and bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. The filling should be firm to the touch but still very slightly soft in the center. Leave to cool completely, then cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight if possible. When you are ready to serve the pie, whip the cream with a handheld electric whisk in a large bowl until soft peaks form. Then spread over the pie and decorate with a little lime zest. To get lime zest, use a grater on the green outer peel. Use lime zest to taste.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm making a pie. Did you want to help?
Yeah, sure, but I've never done this before.
That's okay. Here, take this butter and melt it in the microwave.
Like this?
Oh no, you need to take it out of its package and put it in a small bowl. I will put these graham crackers through the blender and turn them into crumbs. Have the butter ready. Okay, now we use the blender to mix the butter into the graham cracker crumbs until it is well blended. Then you can go ahead and spread that mixture onto the bottom and sides of the pie pan.
Spread it in this?
No, that's a skillet. You use that to fry things. Look in the cabinet. The pie pans will be near the cookie sheet and cake pans.
What is this?
That is a crock pot. I use it to make casseroles and roasts with vegetables.
Okay, I found the pie pan. Now what do you want me to do?
Use this spoon and take the graham cracker mixture from the blender and spread it evenly over the bottom and sides of the pie pan. Press it down to pack it. I already have the oven preheated, so once you are done, go ahead and put the pie crust in the oven and we will bake it for about 20 minutes.
Will do. What are you going to do with those eggs? Scramble them?
No, we are going to separate the whites from the yolks, so we can use the yolks in the pie. Grab me the whisk out of that drawer next to you. I'm going to use this soup pot to mix everything in.
Will this work?
The electric blender? I think we can just use a whisk. Okay, egg yolks, condensed milk, lime juice. Oh, I need to make some lime zest. Grab me the grater out of the drawer.
What are you doing? You are grating lime skins into the pie?
Oh, relax. It's called lime zest, and it's not a lot. Now we mix it. Grab the pie crust out of the oven, we need to let it cool before pouring this mix into it. I'll turn the oven down to 150.
So now what?
Well, once the crust cools down, we will pour in the pie filling, and bake it for another 20 or 30 minutes. Then we let it cool, and then we put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then it's dessert.
I can't wait.
If anyone tries to make this pie, please let us know how you liked it. Thanks and good baking.